What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Chainlink and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all our videos as they are posted, link in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Chainlink here. We are going to be doing 6 videos today, some quick fire updates on a lot of altcoins that people have been asking about. We're doing Chainlink, Veracity, eGold, and a few others. So make sure to check out all the videos today. We really appreciate all your support as always. We're trying to do some more videos of requests that people have been asking for. And a lot of people are asking for Chainlink and Veracity, also Quant as well, which we'll probably do tomorrow. So quite a lot of projects that people have been asking for, so we thought we would do them. And as we can see here, we've got Chainlink, obviously huge uptrend for the past few years. You don't need to, you don't need a crystal ball, as CoinSkid would say, to see that. It's pretty obvious that we've been in a massive uptrend, haven't we? We've been holding key levels of support. You could say this is the bottom of our channel here. We haven't even come down to the bottom of the channel yet, have we? And it's pretty clear that, you know, this is probably the top of our channel here over the past few years as well. And, you know, we've been having a really nice bounce for Chainlink over the past few days, haven't we? A lot of people have been asking us to cover it because it has hit around $30, as you can see here. And, you know, it's done absolutely brilliantly, hasn't it? Everything's worked out incredibly technically here. If you actually look at the chart, you can see, obviously, this big falling wedge, just like pretty much every single altcoin. We come up, broken out, rolled over again, back tested that previous resistance as support. Really bullish. Getting near, you know, getting near the bottom of our channel. You wouldn't say this is touched. And obviously getting really oversold as well. Sooner or later we were going to see the bounce, and as you can see, really nice bounce. Broken through the 20, flipped it into support, consolidated under the 50, broke up through the 50. You know, we've come back down and pretty much back tested the 50 here a few times, you would say. Obviously, you know, consolidating really nicely in this range here where there was a lot of previous structure. And you know, this is basically a little range that we have formed over the past, what is this, ever since we had the crash really. We come down here, obviously we could actually come all the way back up to here, where you could argue this is probably the range high, the overall range high here. Essentially when we came down here, this is the top of our range that we were still stuck under. And you know, Chainlink's got a little while to get up to these levels at around $37, but you know, we're on a journey right now and we're reversing really nicely, aren't we? And as we always say, when you have the technical target of this big descending wedge, when you break out to the upside, is where you formed it. And you would say this is probably at the all-time high around $53, isn't it? So pretty clear that Chainlink is showing a lot of strength right now. This is a really top quality project, isn't it? The fundamentals are insanely good. And we do strongly think that in the future, Chainlink is going to be a 4-digit, maybe even a 5-digit crypto in the next 5 to 10 years, just because of the adoption curve it's receiving, the amount of use case that it has. I mean, USDC, based on pretty much all stable coins are based on Chainlink's technology, to be honest. So it's got a huge amount of use case, and you know, it's showing a lot of signs of life in the short term, isn't it? Flip bullish on our EMAs, we've broken out all these resistances. We are getting quite overbought right now, but you know, cryptos can stay overbought for a long time. But we probably are due for a bit of a pullback, maybe to come back down, retest this local range high at around $26 as support before a continuation, because we have been going straight up like this, haven't we? And we do want to see that lower high. We've seen that higher high here. Sorry, my God, I can't even speak. We've got the higher high. We want to see the higher low and then a higher high, basically for that full trend reversal for continuation, don't we? Because obviously we could, we've got the trend here, for example. We've got our higher high, but then we've made our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low like this. So you can see our trend is downwards. But then once you make that higher high, you've broken the trend, haven't you? So you really want to see that higher low so that you can see the trend is fully broken, and then a higher high, and then basically just reverse out there for continuation, don't you? because it is always the potential until you make that higher low that you do something like this, and then you come down, you make your lower low, and you continue the trend. Because obviously, right now we're having a really nice pump, aren't we? But we are going to have to see a bit of a pullback for continuation to retest support, because obviously you can't go up in a straight line forever. So just important to bear in mind. But obviously, don't want to be a Debbie Downer right here. Chainlink looking really, really good, isn't it? Showing a lot of signs of life, all the way up at $30 now, from 13 and a bit dollars. Basically just over, it's a 2 and a bit X increase. Really, really good to see. And if we take a look at our hourly chart here, you can see exactly what's happened here. This local range high, we've actually broken out of it, rolled under again, but we've broken out again, back tested perfectly as support, and then obviously off to the races, having a really nice pump, aren't we? So now that we're breaking out of this level, obviously we've got probably, you'd say, another key level somewhere, looking at something like this, up at around, what is that, $33. There's quite a lot of key structure in this level, especially here for resistance. And obviously there's that $35.50 level as well as our next targets. So those will be our short-term price targets. And then long-term, we do strongly think, by the end of the bull run, Chainlink is going to be definitely triple digits, probably 100, 200, depending on how when the bull run does end here. You can see if we're going into January time, we could be looking at $150, $200 per Chainlink, which would obviously be really, really good, wouldn't it? That'd probably be around, what is that, 4 or 5, maybe even a 6 or 7x from the current price. Really, really good. And we do think, Chainlink is it's a blue chipper, isn't it? It's a quality project. It's not going anywhere. And over time, you can see its growth has been absolutely phenomenal, hasn't it? I mean, down here it was this 40 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents up to $53. Absolutely insane gains in just a few years. So, if we continue on the trend that we're making here, just for argument's sake for Chainlink, it's not going to take very long for us to be looking at some very nice price targets. You're going into 2022 here, maybe 2023, you can see 500, maybe even 1K. If this trend does continue to happen. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.